Today we're going to have a look at these NOMA Christmas Gems. I found these lights in a bundle earlier on and they need a little bit of work. There's a couple of broken shades. This one looks like it's suffered from a bit of heat damage, which isn't good. But yeah, these are NOMA Christmas Gems. They're from the 80s. This style was popular for a minute. Quite a few makers made these. I've seen this design under different makers' marks before. They're very small, very delicate lights. Very pretty shades, like little mini flowers. They have dual pin bayonet fit. I should have spares to get these repaired. I'm not sure how I'm going to fix this one. I don't feel, I mean there's still one pin on it so it might stay in place, but I don't feel comfortable gluing it in place. That's not my style. This one's been broken at some point. It doesn't even look yellow anymore, it looks clear. Now the pictures are found in the archive. Again, these colours seem very faded, and they are the pink ones, and the picture I found in the archive also has a very faded one. So I don't know what's going on there. This one's also suffering a little bit of heat damage by the look of it. Now this set had no bulbs in it when I got it, and I had to populate it. It's probably the reason why I got no spare bulbs, because I've been fixing lights like this over the years. The braiding is in excellent condition, like new. These lights might have had some light use, but it's this heat issue from this one. Whether the bulbs had suffered too many blown bulbs and they were just producing a lot of heat. This is the end unit as well. Again, who knows? These lights have probably been owned by a family or two, and who knows what they've been put through. This braiding is super narrow and tight. It's not like some of the pifco ones where it's spaced out a bit more, but there's plenty of flex to go from the lights to the plug. I mean, these sets are 20, the older style sets are 20. I mean, the gap between the bulbs is absolutely huge. Ideal for going around windows. It's got a vintage plug on it. Dura plug, unbreakable rubber and nylon. It does feel soft, but not to push. Anyway, let's get them turned on. Oh, what a shocker, another set of lights that doesn't work. Let's go through. Again, these lights just come straight out the boxes where they're stored and straight on camera. There's no pre-testing, because what's the fun in that? We can, oh there we go, we can fix them together. There's obviously another loose one somewhere. Is it you? Is it you? I think it's multiple lights. No. There we go, it's that blue one. Oh, there we go, we got them lit up. As you can see, colours are fantastic. I'm not sure if I think I used new old stock bulbs for this set of lights. Look, absolutely fantastic. The blue against the red pop a lot on camera. This orange one here seems to be a little bit on the dim side compared to another one of the yellow ones. I'm curious, is this a 6-volt bulb from a set of 40? Let's have a little look and see what the camera can pick up. Yeah, that's 6-volt from a set of 40. So we'll get that replaced when they come back out again, that's future me's problem. Cracking little set of lights. Have you got any of these? Let us know in the comments below. Just thought I'd share this set. Nice quick little video for you. But yeah, there you go. NOMA Christmas Gems.